Mike from Star Motors of Ottawa. Today we're live at location at Calabogie Motorsports Park, Canada's largest raceway, and the best part is it's only an hour away from Ottawa. Today we're here to showcase what AMG is actually truly capable of, and no better place to do it than here at Calabogie Motorsports Park. Today, of course, we have two cars on location. So the first one is the beautiful GLC 43 AMG. This is a 2022 model, but let's get to the goodie part. So twin turbo V6, 3 liter, 384 horsepower. The pièce de résistance is the one on my right. So that is the 2023 Mercedes E53 AMG Coupe. That one there is a 3 liter inline 6 mild hybrid, and that one has 429 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque. When you're doing launches, that'll add another 21 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Really, we're here to showcase one thing. If you really want to experience what your AMG is truly capable of, this is the place to do it. You will really be astonished and really be blown away about how your car performs and how it's able to actually handle itself where it's truly meant to be. Of course, us at Star Motors are actually sponsoring the event today, and there's 4 more events throughout the summer. They're called HPDE events, so even if you're new to the racetrack, we're here to help you out and we're here to show you what your car can actually do here. For more information, please check the link in the description box below. And of course, as always, I'm Mike. Thanks for watching.